start there. See, sometimes we look at gifts as, oh, well, that's just them. It's never just them. They put in the effort developing their talents, even if they didn't know it was going to be a talent, long enough to master it, to be able to explode their business in 48 hours and get her $50,000 ring in 3 weeks. It's like, hey, you can't hate the story if you didn't try to get better for 5 straight years every single day. Now, if you tried for 5 straight years, literally tried for 5 straight years how to get better every single day, here's what I know. That's not possible. You can't try to get better every single day committed for 5 straight years and not get better. That's not possible. That's not the world we live in. Right? I'll use Jim Rohn. That's not the way this world's set up. If you want a world to be set up that way, you might buy into it. You might buy into it and say, I've been trying. No, you haven't. You hadn't been working at it for 5 straight years. Because if you had been, you'd be a completely different person today than you were 5 years ago.